Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have partnered with FabFitFun to show you what's inside their new winter seasonal box. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. You'll find some lifestyle, fashion, beauty, wellness products. It's a really wonderful mix. And because I have partnered with them, you can get $10 off of your first box. So they normally retail at $49.99, but the value of what you get inside the box is well over $200. And if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know this is not my first time collaborating with FabFitFun. I always look forward to receiving my seasonal box, and I've done other videos on my channel where I show you what's in my spring, summer, and fall boxes. So the link to those videos is down below in the description box. It's already been open, and here I've taken the little magazine out of the box. So every box comes with a little magazine. I'm just gonna keep them this close by because it gives the retail price and the brand information for all of the items. Okay, enough talking, let's go ahead and open it up. So let me start with my favorite thing that I got this month in the box. So my all-time favorite product, and normally skincare is my favorite thing, but now my favorite thing is this little winter earmuffs. So this is a bear paw combo set. It is a headband and some glove duos. So it comes with two little cute gloves that you can put on here. So the gloves are really nice, but truthfully, I live in Ottawa, Canada. It gets crazy cold, and these gloves are more suitable for me for the fall. So definitely in the springtime or in the fall, I'm sure I'm going to use them. But right now it is cold as hell outside, and this has been my go-to. I've been wearing this twice a day, every day when I walk Luna for her daily walks because they are insanely warm. I like that it's a headband. I don't normally like toques because if I'm wearing like a braid or if my hair up in a bun or a ponytail, I don't like the way that it looks. So this is a lot more convenient, and it is so incredibly warm. It gets to like -30 sometimes here. Like, it's insanely cold, and this has done the trick for me, and it's been really comfortable to wear. The retail price for this is $45. So I haven't really been able to get much use out of the gloves just because they're not quite warm enough. But this is, I mean, I wear it all the time. I absolutely love it, and it's super cute, and you can just put pretty much any kind of hairstyles that you want with it. So another item I've been using quite a bit is the Richer or Poorer knee-high socks. So I've already taken this out of its packaging because I've been wearing them a lot. So these are really nice knee-high socks. I like to wear them under some knee-high boots because you can see the tip of it come out, and I just really like the way it looks. Plus it keeps my feet and my legs warm because usually those kinds of boots aren't necessarily the warmest that I own. But it's also really cute if you're just lounging around the house with like an oversized sweater. So I'm a big fan of these. The retail price is $24. So these are very cozy, and they're actually made from recycled yarn, which I thought was really nice, and designed in California. So not too far away from where I live, I guess. So retail price $24 for these over-the-knee socks. Okay, I am a huge skincare fanatic. I love to change up my skincare routine. So another product that I really enjoyed is this hydration cream mask. The company is Ahava. I really like it. I was intrigued by this mask simply because it says that you can either leave it on 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse on, or you can actually just leave it on overnight. So far I've used this mask twice, and I have not yet tried leaving it on overnight. So the first time I did it, I just cleansed my face as you normally would. I put a little bit more than a pea-size amount just all over the face. And what's really cool about this one is that it does kind of absorb into your skin fairly quickly, so I can see how you could leave it on overnight. It almost feels like I put a heavy moisturizer on, and it made my skin feel really, really nice. There was no irritation. It really made my skin very plump, very soft. So I'm going to continue using it. Maybe at some point I'll try leaving it overnight, but so far the 3 to 5 minute works, and I'm just very gentle with the way that I take it off. Retail price for this is $33 and is approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and it is also paraben free. So really been enjoying this product for my skin, especially in the winter. My skin gets insanely dry and very flaky, so this kind of helps to keep it under control. So I guess let's maybe stay in the skincare realm. The next product I'm going to show you are little eye masks, or little, eye masks, but with hyaluronic acid. I always have a hard time pronouncing that name. So hyaluronic acid is actually something that I use on my skin every single day. After I cleanse my face, I'll usually use like a vitamin C peptide, and then I use hyaluronic acid all over, and then I moisturize. So I was kind of interested to see what these guys would be like. This was actually my first time trying an eye mask. The company is from Black, and the retail price is $29. So inside them you have 5 masks. I only have 4 left, just because I've used one. I wanted to try it. So this is what it looks like, and you just kind of press it on the under eye area. I only left it for about 5 minutes, no more than that. And it's supposed to be really good for like wrinkles. That's basically what hyaluronic acid is meant for. It's to kind of rejuvenate the skin. So one thing I will say about this product is that it did cause a little bit of flaking for me, and a little bit of burning. Not a super aggressive, painful burning, but there was definitely some tingling when I applied it. And then the next day there was flaking. A very similar flaking that you would get if you've ever applied like retinol or a retinoid cream. That can be normal sometimes. So flaking can sometimes be a sign that a product is not sitting well on your skin and you're having an adverse reaction to it. But when it comes to like, I would say peptides, hyaluronic acids, and things like retinoids and retinols, sometimes the flaking is just a process of rejuvenation and renewal that your skin goes through, and your skin needs to kind of get used to it in order to reap the benefits of it. So I'm not quite sure which one of those it was. So I am going to give these one more try, but maybe if you have super sensitive skin, it might not be the best thing for you. So normally I wouldn't care too much about flaking and things like that, but just because it is the under eye area, I do think we need to be cautious. It's extra sensitive. So the company is called Black. There are 5 eye masks in here, and the retail price is $29. All right, let's change it up a little bit. Another item that I got that I've been using quite a bit is this throw blanket. So the company is Mark and Graham. It's a color block throw. So some people received this one that I have here, which is white and gray, and others received more of like a tan and beige one. I'm really glad I got this because this is a lot more my color. It is so incredibly soft. The retail price for this one is $49. And it's just a really good size for a 1 person. I've been just leaving this one kind of on my couch area. It's nice when you're cozying up at the end of the day watching television. So there's some nice fringe detailing on this blanket. The retail price is $49. So this is also one of those products where I took it out of the box immediately and started using it because it's cold in my house, and it's always good to have some more blankets. So I really like this one. Okay, let's move on to some beauty products. This is for your hair. This is dry shampoo. The company is called Oribe, and it's a Gold Lust dry shampoo. I've been trying to only shampoo my hair once or twice a week, which is really hard. Anyone who's ever kind of tried to wean yourself off of shampooing knows that it's, I don't know, it takes a while for your hair follicles to adjust to that. So I've been relying a lot on dry shampoo to keep me going in between those washes. And I kind of circle through lots of different brands, but this is my first time trying this one, and I've really been enjoying it so far. So retail price for this one is $44. It's very, very lightweight. I found that with this one, the further away I apply, the better it seems to work with the texture of my hair. It doesn't leave any kind of white or gray residue, which can be really annoying, but also very common with a lot of dry shampoos. So for some of them, I like to go really at the roots, but for this one, I found that if I'm like 8 to 10 or even like 12 inches away from my scalp, it seems to distribute better and there's not as much buildup. So I'll normally like flip my head upside down, spray a little bit through the roots, flip my head back up and kind of give it a couple seconds just to stay in there. And then I'll mess it up kind of with my fingers and just get into, and I can show you actually. So it's really good to shake the can before. I'll lift up at the roots. So normally I flip my head upside down because then I don't have to lift up. Gravity is actually like pulling your hair away from the roots. But if you were sitting up or standing up tall, you would want to pull and lift it up. Give it a few sprays. and then I would let it activate. I find that if I give it a few seconds and then kind of run my fingers through it, it's a great way to give yourself some extra added volume. There, that worked. And it also removes any excess oil. So it's kind of been my saving grace as I go through that horrible process of trying to shampoo my hair less and less. So retail price for this is $44. And again, the brand name is Oribe. This is the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Okay, I've got 3 more products to show you guys. Let's go back into beauty, or stay in the realm of beauty. So this is Thrive Cosmetics, and it's called the Brilliant Eye Brightener. I actually have it on already in this video. I don't know if you can really see my eye makeup from here, but this is a beautiful kind of skin tone color for me, shimmering. It can be like a highlighter, or it can be an eyeshadow. I've been using mainly as like eyeshadow for the inner corner and underneath the brow. It's really beautiful. It doesn't feel like a cream. It feels like a powder finish almost, but it's very satiny, very sheer. So it is buildable. You can apply a few layers to get a little bit more vibrancy in the coloring, but it is more on the sheerer side, so it's not going to give you a big wash of color. It's mainly meant for a nice little sparkle. So the color is called Stella, and the retail price is $24. I have been using this quite a bit just because, I don't know, it matches my skin tone, so it's an easy one for me to put just in the inner corner under the brow. And I've also actually used it a few times as like a cheek highlighter. It works really well for that too. Okay, 2 more. Let's move into wellness and health products. So what I have here is Elevate 2 essential oils. I've already opened this box. I have been using these guys so much, especially one of them inside. So I have quite a few essential oils already, but I actually didn't have both of these scents. So the first one of them is sweet orange, and the other one is eucalyptus. At first I was using those separately, and now I've actually just been mixing both of these together in the diffuser, and I love the scent that it creates. I'm especially fond of sweet orange. I like to use citrus in the morning. It helps me focus and concentrate when I'm, trying to get some work done at my desk. Eucalyptus is also really wonderful on that. So I'm not like a huge essential oils person. Please don't try to sell me your essential oils. I get enough of that, and I promise to never try to sell you my own essential oils. I don't work for any of those companies or anything like that. So I'm sure there are a lot more ways that you could use essential oils, but I mainly just use them in my diffusers, and I also use them when I take a bath. So the retail price for this is $31, and they work really well. So eucalyptus is nice, but I have to say sweet orange has been my go-to. I'm already almost halfway down through the bottle, so I've been using it quite a bit. Really like these guys. And again, the company is Elevate. Okay, so the final product is a bit of a funky one. This is a fitness prop. Can you guess what it is, what it does, and how to use it? This is called the Burke Body Sliders. The retail price is $18. So I'm smiling because as soon as I opened the box, I knew exactly what these were, because growing up, I used to use paper plates kind of to do what these guys do. So basically you want to use these. I find it's a lot easier on carpet or on a rug, and you would place them either underneath your hands or underneath your feet in plank pose or in downward dog, and you can do kind of little crunches and different kinds of drills with these sliders, and it's an amazing way to improve your core strength as well as your upper body strength. So these are $18, and something that I didn't mention with FabFitFun is that when you do become a subscriber and when you get their boxes, you also get access to FabFitFun TV, which has fitness and yoga classes and videos that you can do at home. So Burke shows you exactly, how to use these guys and how to incorporate them into your workouts. So I've been using them. I really enjoy it. This is not something that's new to me. I've been doing techniques and drills with things like this for a long time, but I've never actually thought to purchase. I didn't even know it was a thing that you could purchase plastic ones. I just thought I was clever by using paper plates, but this is a lot better. I don't need paper plates anymore. This is, it definitely makes the job a whole lot easier. So I thought this was a really fun product, and it is nice that you get access to fitness videos and yoga classes and all that kind of stuff once you do join FabFitFun. All right, so that's it for the winter 2018 FabFitFun unboxing and review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to sign up to get your own seasonal FabFitFun box, remember that you can use the code YOGA and click the link down below in the description box in order to sign up. You get well over $200 worth of stuff in every single box that you receive. This is either my 4th or 5th box by now, and I'm always super happy with what I get. These are products that I use for many months to come, just because they're high quality, they're full size, and it's a nice variety, so you're not getting just beauty or just fashion or just wellness. There's a little bit of everything, which I find really helpful. A big thank you to FabFitFun for collaborating with me once again. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I put out new videos every single week. I would love to know what your favorite item was in my winter box. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know. All right, that's it guys. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.